Okay, target audio 影字版360 Birdview 360 Birdview. Okay, DVR setting. Dashcam recorder for 360 Birdview target audio Qualcomm. Go to 360 Birdview app. Okay, setting. DVR setting. A setting icon. Okay, auto record turn on. It will turn on for the dashcam record for your 364 camera. On off here. Okay, the second one is a file path. The USB. You want to save in which USBs? USB 1 is your internal storage. USB 2, USB 3, you got 2 USB port for your Android player. So you can select it. So the video, each video how long? It's 1 minute, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. And if you want to format your record it, then you can press it. This is 360 setting for DVR dashcam.